If you want to learn how to fix age restriction on TikTok, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. If there are no updates available, you can now open your TikTok and then log into your account. Once logged in, press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, press Settings and Privacy. Then once you click Settings and Privacy, press Account. Once you've pressed the Account button, you'll see here User Information, so just press this button and then you'll see here your birth date. What you can do to solve the age restriction problem on TikTok is to change your birth date on TikTok. Just remember that you can't do this multiple times at the same date. Once you're done changing the date of birth, you can now start watching TikTok videos, even those with age restrictions. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again on our next videos.